Vice President General Constantino Chiwenga attended National Heroes Acre burial of fellow retired Army General Richard. Kusangana kwataita zvakare pano paMagaba News patinobata nhau dzakasiyana-siyana dzinoitika munharaunda nemunyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Zuva ranhasi takabata nhau yaGeneral Constantino Chiwenga, avo vasumuka zuva ranhasi vachienda paNational Heroes Acre vachiradzika a fellow Major General retired Richard, vanova ranga riri uto remunyika yeZimbabwe rakamhoshandidzana navaVP Chiwenga. So vaVP Chiwenga vasvika paNational Heroes Acre vakachengetedzwa nesecurity yavo as usual zvavanoita nguva nenguva. Apo zvakare kuita kuti pagobuda mufananidzo wavanga vachifarirwa neveruzhinji vachiona General Constantino Chiwenga vachisvika. So according to news, Vice President Dr. Constantino Chiwenga on Monday today attended the burial of national hero Major General retired Richard at the National Heroes Acre in Harare. According to update shared by journalist, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga arrived at the National Heroes Acre ahead of the burial ceremony for the late retired Army General. Image released by the two state media organizations showed the Vice President walking along the ceremonial red carpet accompanied by members of his security team before greeting senior military officers and other officials. The burial marks another significant moment for the Zimbabwe military community. The country continued to honor one of its senior retired commander, Major General Richard, was declared a national hero, recognizing his contribution to the national and his years of serving in the army forces. Upon arriving at the venue, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, who is himself a retired army general, joined other government leaders, members of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, family members, friends, and invited guests gathered to pay their final respect to the late Major General. A photo from the event show Chiwenga greeting senior military commander before taking part in the official proceeding. The National Heroes Acre was also filled with the members of the Defense Forces who attended the ceremony in military uniform as part of the official farewell. The journalists reported that the Vice President had arrived at the National Heroes Acre for the burial of national hero Major General retired Richard. Well, also another journalist also shared photo confirming his arrival at the ceremony. The burial following the passing of retired military officer who serves to Zimbabwe was recognized with the country's highest national burial honor. The National Heroes Acre remains the final resting place for individuals who have been accounted national hero status for their contribution to Zimbabwe. As the ceremony continues, a government official, military personnel, relatives, and mourners gathered to celebrate the life and legacy of Major General Richard. The event followed the official military tradition associated with the burial of the national hero. Vice President Chiwenga attendance reflects both his role in government and his long association with the Zimbabwe Army Forces. As a former commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, he joined fellow leaders in paying a tribute to the late retired general. So Vice President Constantino Chiwenga zvino vakuti pese pavaenda veruzhinji vanenge vachida kuona kuti zviri kumbofamba sei sezvo ndiye munhu ari kuwanikwa ari muZANU-PF akatarisiswa neveruzhinji nepanguva yatiri munyika yeZimbabwe panhau dzematongero enyika. So ndo mufananidzo waVice President Constantino Chiwenga today. Vaenda vari vega, havana kuenda nemudzimai wavo, vaenda vari 1 apo pavaenda kunozvimirira vachienda kunomirira kunoradzika mumwe wavo akashandidzana naye. Ende ndidzo nhau dzatakabata pano tichikuzivisa zvizhinji zvinenge zvichiitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe, ndokutenda nekutsigira kwamaita nekuona kwamaita nhau dzatauya nadzo.